Hello, hello everyone. Welcome explorers. My name is Mrs. Jessica Hill, and you will have me for this first quarter for career explorations. In this course, you will have the opportunity to explore different careers and learn skills that will lead you in finding and preparing your perfect career in the future. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're far too young to be thinking about your career, but you're wrong. It's never too early to start thinking about what you want to be when you grow up. In fact, the sooner the better. Did you know that our state is paving the way in realigning education to provide students with the skills and experiences to help them be career ready? Why? Well, starting in 2006, Pennsylvania began pushing the career education and work standards. Along with the CEW standards came the implementation of a comprehensive program of K-12 guidance services aligned with the CEW standards and requires that all school entities integrate these CEW standards into the curriculum. That was taken right from the Pennsylvania Department of Education. These career standards focus on four areas. They are career awareness and preparation. So that is where we are at here in the eighth grade, learning about different careers. Career acquisition, getting a job, believe it or not, but we're going to learn about how to get those jobs. Career retention and advancement, so how to keep those jobs and advance in those careers, as well as entrepreneurship. So, according to the PA Department of Education, Pennsylvania's economic future depends on having a well educated and skilled workforce that is prepared to meet the current and projected demands of a global knowledge based 21st century economy. Therefore, it is imperative that Pennsylvania students at all educational levels have access to high quality academic and technical education, as well as opportunities to assess interests, build skills, and identify and explore careers aligned to those interests and skills. Regardless of their post secondary plans, all students should leave secondary education with a solid foundation in career education and work. So, regardless if you plan to go to college or right into the workforce, every one of you should leave high school ready for that career. What does this mean to you or your student? It means, and again, all of this is taken from the Pennsylvania Department of Education. It means by the end of grade 8, the student has a career portfolio that contains 6 pieces of evidence. One of those pieces of evidence must be the student's individualized career plan. The career plan is as defined below. It is just a document or a similar item that's developed by the student. It identifies a series of educational studies and experiences that are designed to prepare them for their post-secondary education or work. And then the career portfolio, again, this portfolio will be an ongoing and again, individualized collection of materials, an electronic copy that's going to document all of these student experiences, their performances, and their career exploration. And this portfolio will travel with you to high school. So, how do you meet these requirements? It sounds like a lot of work. Well, the good news is we will meet all of those requirements right here in this career explorations course. We will meet twice a week, only for one quarter, so that's 9 weeks. During those 9 weeks, you're going to be working on a program that is accessible only through ClassLink. It's called Smart Futures. You may see it on your ClassLink. I hope you see it on your ClassLink. This program will and is designed to provide you with a wealth of activities that will meet all of the state requirements and, more importantly, put you on a path to being career ready. You will have a career portfolio that you can move on to high school with you, and you will have a career plan with a minimum of 6 pieces of evidence. This is yours. It will prove highly valuable as it will set you up on a path to success in the future. You will be career ready regardless of what you decide to do after high school. You are so fortunate, and I truly mean this, to have the opportunity to explore careers at such a young age. Please embrace this opportunity. I can't wait to help guide you along the journey. I am sure the 9 weeks will fly by, so make sure you are working hard, asking for help, and trying your best. You can and you will succeed. So, a little bit about me. I don't have much space left on this welcome letter, but this is my 10th year at Agora. This is my first year with the Career Explorations course, and it's my first time in 8th grade. Before this, some of you may recognize me. I previously taught 6th grade American history here at Agora for the last 9 years, and I loved every minute of it so very much. But I wanted to try something new, so here I am. I recognize some names, and I hope you're excited to have me again. I know I'm looking forward to the year ahead, and I hope you are too. Aside from the career exploration, I also work with the NJHS student. These are our National Junior Honor Society students here at Agora. We offer weekly tutoring every Wednesday at 3:30 for all subjects, and we'll start that on September 22nd. So keep that in mind if you ever need some help or need someone to edit your work. I can't wait to tell you a little bit more about me, all of my hobbies and my passions, and I will when we get to know each other a little bit better in our first class together. I cannot wait to meet all of you and see some of you again. Enjoy your long weekend. I look forward to meeting you Wednesday or Thursday next week for our first class together. Be sure you finish your benchmark tests and orientation assignments and are ready to start off the school year strong. Sincerely, Mrs. Hill. This is my favorite quote. I'm so happy to share it with all of you. This is a quote by Steve Jobs. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. I want you all to review your career exploration course syllabus and also LinkedIn this welcome letter with your learning coach. Thanks so much. Have a great day.